Hey everyone, it's Angelique, and today is day 22 of my weight loss journey. I didn't post a video last week because, quite honestly, I didn't actually believe that people cared to watch these. But I was quickly reminded by my mastermind team that even if there's at least one person out there that's getting some value and some benefit from these videos, and if I can help you in any way, that it's all worth it. So here I am. My weight loss has been progressively, steadily going down, which is good. But more importantly, I've been feeling so much better. I haven't had a drink in 22 days. And if you know me at all, you'll know that wine is my favorite thing ever. So I've been on my commitment contract, so I haven't had a sip of that because otherwise it would cost me $50. It's my self-imposed contract with myself. But on a good note is that I'm tucking in my shirts now. So there's a lot less belly fat going on, which is really nice. And my legs are crossing much better too. So for me, that's a really big deal that I can cross my legs without being uncomfortable. So better than the number of the scale. I'm also in a really good mood. My kids can attest to the fact that I'm a lot more fun to be around. I laugh, I joke, I dance with them. I do little dances for them, which drives them a little bit crazy, but they laugh. We have a really good time. So my relationships are amazing. Even with my husband, Steve and I getting along so well these days. Yeah, he's been like that for a while now, but even better. When I'm feeling really well, really good about myself, it really shows up in my relationships. And I'm happier, he's happier, and when mama's happy, everybody's happy. So that's been my experience over the last 2 weeks. And actually, I'm working on a workshop. I have committed to my mastermind group that I am going to set up a workshop, a 2-hour workshop, probably going to do it at the Audubon Legion here in my neighborhood. So if you're not local, I'm sorry. But I will be having one probably late March on hopefully a Sunday afternoon, depending if I can get the hall. But whether or not you're going to attend, if you're in the area, I'd be curious if you could put in the comments below if you could tell me some of the topics that you would be interested in hearing about if you were to attend a workshop about health and weight loss. And please answer if you're a woman between 45 and 60. If you're a 70-year-old man watching this, I love you and everything, but please don't comment. So I'm looking actually for 3 topics. So I'll go with like the most popular one, and it could be about hormones. It could be about healthy eating. It could be how to plan your meals. It could be about rest, how to manage stress. It could be about sleep. Any of those things that you're dealing with. It could be about hormones. If you have hot flashes like I do once in a while. If you have mood swings. Don't ask me about low libido though. I don't think I can help you with that just yet. But I would appreciate your comments. And so that's it for today. So put me some comments so I can get my workshop together. And I will be back here next week, I promise. See you then. Bye.